Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just want to go over last week's trades, how I did with them, and then what I'm doing this week. So last week's trades, I was holding the Amazon call debit spread and the Tesla call debit spread. I think I did a video on Friday, but they did expire in the money. And I did get full profit on those minus some fees, which I'm not too sure about with one of these. You could see here the Tesla trade was exercised at 59,000, and then I was assigned at 59,498, which is a $500 difference minus the fees, minus what I paid for the spread. I made $50.67 on that trade. And then the Amazon trade was they both expired above the higher strike price. So Tesla closed Thursday above 595. Amazon closed above 3100. That's why I got the max, because I let them expire. On this one it was negative 618,000, but then I was credited 619,986, which is a $2,000 difference minus fees, minus what I paid for the spread. Actually, that was two spreads. That came out to 286.27. So my total for last week in profit was 336.94, and then the week before was 612. So over the past 2 weeks, I've made around $950 for 2 weeks. So that's cleared. I was cleared as of I was cleared on these trades as of Friday or Saturday. Everything was back to normal. My buying power was back to normal. And I had $2,702 buying power. Alright. So I had $2,702 buying power. And this morning, I ended up getting into one Amazon call debit spread, 6 contracts, and here's the spread I end up getting into. It's a 3,115 by 3,120, so it's a $5 spread. So $500 is a max profit minus what you pay for the spread. So I ended up getting in these at $420 a piece. So I got 6 of them. So 500 times 6. So the max profit on this spread expires Thursday, because it's a short week, is $3,000. And then you have to minus what I paid. I paid $420. I got filled at $420 a contract. So let's clear this. So I got filled at $420 a contract times 6. So the all these cost me $2,520. 3,000 minus 2,520. So the max profit's $480 if Amazon closes Thursday above $3,120. So I'm going to go over why I took this trade. Let's go to Webull. So here's the daily chart of Amazon, and here's the 1 minute chart. So I liked it on the daily because the 9 was, here was Thursday's candle. The 9 was crossing over the 50. So to me it was looking kind of bullish. And then there was a gap up pre-market this morning, all the way to 32. It kind of opened around 31.90 something, so that's right around the 9 moving average. Then we had a big sell-off, so I wanted to wait and see what I can get filled at. This wasn't the first choice. I was trying to get into a 3,070 by 3,075 contract for around the same price, but it was way too deep in the money. I wasn't going to get filled. The prices were looking good over the weekend, but that was Thursday's prices. So I ended up doing a couple different orders. I threw a couple different orders out there for different spreads around 3,100, and I wasn't getting filled, probably because I'm trying to get in 6 contracts because I had 2,700 buying power. So I ended up waiting for Amazon to drop a little. On this candle, I ended up taking the 3,015 by 3,020. So you're talking Amazon dropped to 3,070. So you're talking $50 below the lowest of today. I was keeping the other spreads around like $80 to $100 gap, and I was getting good prices, but I decided if I was gonna risk a spread that's over 3,100, then I wanted to get a decent fill. So I ended up putting in a limit order for 420, and I got filled. I put in the limit order and I got filled on this candle, on the dip. I could have got a way better fill. If I waited to the bottom, I probably could have got these at $4 a piece, and that would have been. I probably could have made $600 on the spread. So after I got filled and it dropped, I was in the negative, but I can't sell this thing today. But I have till Thursday. I mean, I'm so far in the money right now. And then this happened. So after the drop, we had this. So this candle turned from a red candle, right? And it basically tapped the 50. It opened right at the 9, turned red, tapped the 50, and now it's working its way up. I should definitely be good, because now I'm over $100 gap. The price is at $32.40. $32.40. My contract is for $31.20, so you're talking $120 difference right now between now and Thursday. So as long as it could stay above $31.20 by Thursday, I'm going to hold this thing and let him expire. I'll take, look at this. Look at the total return today. It's fluctuating between 200, 300, 550. It's just crazy. So I probably could have got a better fill. I think I picked a good spread, but I probably could have got a better fill if I waited a little longer for that drop. But I'm pretty happy with the fill. I'll take $480 for the week off one trade all day long. So here's what I paid: $25.20 minus 300. That's how you get the 480. My break even is the lower strike price, $31.15, plus what I paid for it, $420. So $31.15 plus 4 is $3,119.20. If it does get that low and expires at $31.19.20, minimum I'll break even. Anything above that I'll make money, but it won't be max profit. So here's my line I need to stay above. This is the daily chart. Here's the weekly. So we just can't drop below that line. But it's looking bullish. The stimulus package passed today, so that's good news. And we'll just hang on to this. I couldn't sell this thing today anyway because I have no more day trades on Robinhood. So that's going to be it for today's video. I think I mostly covered everything. I'll come back, not tomorrow, maybe the day after, and just give an update on how the spread's doing. But as of right now, I really don't have any buying power left. I'm not getting into anything else. Still holding this covered call. Just going to let that thing expire, like I said, on the 15th. So I'm holding that. This one trade, I have $181 left in buying power. I'm just going to leave it. And the account's definitely growing. I mean, here's the $3,000 mark. Now I'm above 5,000. Alright, so that's going to be it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, just leave it in the comment box down below. And if you like these videos and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, please. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.